Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use iMessage on your iPhone. So before we use the message on our iPhone, we need to make sure that the iMessage is in active mode. First thing we're gonna do is open the settings application and please scroll down until we found messages here. You can see here the messages, you just need to click it, and after that make sure the iMessage is in active mode or in the green color. If your iMessage is in a gray color, means your iMessage is not active, but if you click it into the green color, means that the iMessage is active already in your phone. And after that you can just go open your message here, right? And then how to start, you just need to click this upper right corner and just type to whom that you want to send your message to. Just need to scrolling down and choose to whom you want to send the iMessage. And after you choose one, you just need to type anything here, like saying hi, or you also can send the memoji or the stickers and many things. You even can share a audio or any applications on iMessage. So that's how the way you use iMessage on iPhone. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.